no pino nwunye Onye Eze Jesus. Pino nwunye Onye Eze Jesus. You just made the greatest mistake of your life by trying to bring in what the two of most controversial bloggers in the Southeast into your matrimonial program. You will not understand the weight of what you have done to yourself today, but you will definitely understand it tomorrow. They always see situations and they want to take advantage of that situation. Their sole aim is just to make money from monetization at the end of every month. They don't have conscience. They can never even give issues second thought. They are always ready to make the matter as controversial as ever just to make money. Remember the case of the guy in Yanaku who had a problem in a business. That I warned the guy, I told him, stay off social media. Only if you do between Gonako, it will be settled. They kept on pushing him. Oh man, just to heat up the internet space for a while. Why the matter is as controversial as ever. They grab the money that they have to grab from views, and the matter we Onye Eze Jesus we made one of the greatest mistakes of all time by bringing to the public what these two people has been waiting. I can ask you, okay, now this matter not in safe hands. No one upload those two people come from on that screen. I can ask you, okay, let me see where this is going. No one am Okongwu Dibia no Onye Eze Jesus in a way bickering at that moment na that screen. Now I'm for so. But seeing two of them made me to understand that this is a well-planned program. Now the only person now know the aim of that program is Pino, who is talking or speaking innocently without knowing the agenda of that program. Let me tell you, keep your program off social media. Only few bloggers are willing to genuinely help you sort out your problem. Others either want to use you as a payback to someone who is their perceived enemies. Others want to use you to make trending videos. Others want to make it as controversial so that they will make more money through monetization. Only one, two, or few of these bloggers will your best interest at hand. If you are taking your marital problem to them, if you are taking your business problem with somebody to them, if you are taking any kind of problem to them hoping that they can solve it, you are making the greatest mistake of all time. Because at the end of the day, you have just sold something to them without collecting money. You have sold something to them without collecting money. Those two people, if you were ever going to get justice anywhere concerning your mother, concerning you and Onye Eze Jesus, it can never come from those two people, because those two people will interest in Ebediguno. And the interest is not a good one. So you have only helped them to achieve their own aim and purpose, which is what? They have something they can use to be hitting Onye Eze Jesus. And why they are doing that, and then with controversy, they will be cashing out. Ina nyefuna Okongwu Dibia she make caption keta or make caption do completely off from Ifo, so that people will rush and watch the video, then egoye an account. You want to go? The earlier you people understand how this social media work, the better you will look for a more practical and realistic way of solving your problem, and not this social media. It has never helped anybody. It is going to make the matter worse, and it is going to be a record for tomorrow, because people may forget, but social media can never forget. Grow past your emotion. You have family members. Owon guy J police. Owon guy J court. Man, even on Facebook, okay, just seek sympathy. You are hitting yourself the most because people will have things they will use to talk to you. You can see people now talking about AG, and no matter how pitiful you may sound, it's not everybody that will believe you. So it just natural paro shepotani, you know. You did it was if I may have mother na the opposite side. The opposite side. Especially those two people who know for any meha, would the other side have with that information I use against the other person. Not the purpose of making peace, for the purpose of getting back to that person and also making money. Learn this, Pino. You made the greatest mistake of your life the day you decided to call in. The day you were arranged to call into the program of Okongwu Dibia. Those people can never mean any well for anybody. Their sole aim is to pay back, vengeance, and to make money. Make the matter controversial, trend with it, and make money. 100% intention. Bula akwaru n'onyi bu jelunde mo conscience ka habe na asoro ya n'ihu akwụkwọ. You are losing, they are gaining. You are losing, they are gaining. Agbalanze sere na nti aye eji n'ife enide ye ha ka okwu ata. I nwere family members, I nwere ikwu na ibe, I nwere amara mmadụ na ndị enyi. E nwere institutions those set aside to handle so many issues. You will get more result approaching those those institutions, whether fair or not, even out of not being fair. The little justice you will get or the little effort you will put in there will not go in vain. It will be more fruitful than assembling 20 bloggers in Asanon Webefano. You are only helping them to hand your dirty linen nakaha for them to come and wash it outside. They make money, cash out and go, and your money will still your problem will still remain the same. Pino made a mistake. Let the right people advise her. Cease from doing that thing in a follow the right channel. Follow the right channel. Those guys will make this matter more controversial so that they can cash out and you will be on the losing side. If abuso ya gbadu mmadu boloni we mulako nwata nwanyi da na abu ogu ife obu n'okpo ọnụ ndado ne ke ya ada befe egu ife ibu n'okpo ọnụ ubolo mata so ne ke wuje na bloggers ha solve. Tell me mata so ne ewuje na bloggers ha solve nwolo. You will only bring your dirty linen to come and give them to wash for you in public. At the end of the day, share this video so that Pino will see this video. Don't make this kind of mistake again. There are people you can approach in a matter like this. They will get involved. If they cannot influence Onye Eze Jesus to do otherwise, and how many bloggers can never do that? Rather, they will help you to blow the trumpet. You ought to go for payback purposes, vengeance, and for business. You ought to unless it's not mad if free. Unless you are free. Woli a trend, there will be a balego. Why na go on losing side. I can become one new Nezu. I am just making a common sense. You must not believe what I have said, but I have said it. Always when they like even group, but I